When in that institute in Patna, the institute owner all of a sudden asked me to say something in front of his student to motivate them. I never ever thought that this student will forget my real name, which is Amin Alam, or you can say Alam sir. But inside I feel good that at least I can make some impact in front of students. So when I came in front of students to motivate them, what I did, I just opened 100 rupee note in front of all and asked them, this is 100 rupee note. If anyone of you can tell my name, this note is yours or yours. They feel it's something like a game. Everybody says, yes sir, tell your name, because they thought what is in a name. I said okay, but the rule is you have to tell my name in one go. They said, yes, we are ready sir. Okay, so this is 100 rupee note and I am now telling my name to all of you and you have to tell my name. They said okay, ready? They said yes, we are ready sir. Okay, I tell them, my name is Augustus Ricardo da Costa Don Madrid Kudu Ramelo. Pin drop silence. I tell them, what happened? Tell my name. One of the students says, it's just cheating. I said, what cheating? You are too fast. Tell a little bit slowly. Okay, here is my name. Augustus Ricardo da Costa Don Madrid Gudu da Melo. Yes, tell me. Somebody says Gudu. Someone says Augustus. I said, no, you have to tell my full name. Then only this 100 rupee note is yours. Yes, okay, one more time. Okay, let me tell it slowly. Augustus Ricardo da Costa Don Madrid Gudu da Melo. Stunned. So I told him, there is a technique behind these names. But before that, what happened? What I observed? Everyone in the students, whoever is feeling bored or not happy, everybody is keep attentions. And everyone is, their eyes glued towards me. So that time I realized for the first time what Mr. Praveen Wadalkar says. You have to grab the attention first. And that time I also know this Pavlovian theory very well. Do you know what is this Pavlovian theory? A Russian physiologist Ivan Pavlov, he did a beautiful exercise with dogs. He sounded a bell and put dogs put in front of some dogs, and immediately they start salivating. So what he did, every day he sounded this bell and put the food in front of dogs and they start salivating. So after some days what he did, he gave away the food dogs and he just sounded the bell and immediately these dogs started salivating. So what he did, he conditioned a response from the dogs with the sound of a bell. So this is called conditioning. This is called anchoring. In modern language, in NLP language, this is called anchoring. What do you mean by this anchoring or conditioning? When you can get a conditioned response from some stimuli. So this is called Pavlovian theory. I know it very well. So I just utilize this in front of students, just telling my name, other favorite name in a different way. And what happened? These names got conditions with the students to make them more attentive, more focused. And in any student's life, if you are feeling bored or not attentive or focused, what will happen? You cannot learn more. In any skills, to learn it properly, you have to feel excited, confident, and happy. And that's how you can generate it, by conditioning yourself with some stimuli. So what stimulus I used that time? My name. Augustus Ricardo da Costa Don Madrid Kudugudamelo. Immediately their attention grabbed me, and this name got conditioned with them. And they feel focused, concentrate. So my dear friends, what I mean to say, even in a public speaking stage, to come in front of a stage, if we can condition ourselves, we can anchor ourselves with some stimulus, so what will happen? We can feel confident, because to speak in front of everyone, I need extra energy, excitement, because inside there will be some nervousness. So how can overcome this nervousness? Only through conditioning myself with some stimulus. So what? I've developed a very beautiful formula that is called yes factor. And wherever I use this factor with myself, with others, I have seen there what confidence inside. So what is this yes factor? It's nothing but simple yes. This yes is a positive connotations. Yes itself. So I gave a acronym for this yes. YES. Youth, enrichment skill. If you are youth, you are energetic, you are confidence. So what you have to do before going to in front of public or in front of video, just grip your both hand like this and say yes. Again, yes. One more time, yes. And boom. If you go like in front of everyone, what will happen? You can condition yourself with this stimulus and feel excited, feel confident. And once you are confident, you can bang. So that's why I use every time before speaking. That's the secret of my speaking in front of public or in front of video. Thank you to listening me. By the way, if you really want to know what is the secret of my this other name, then I will say this in my next video. By the way, all these students of Patna, even though I left Patna and now in Siliguri, they used to call me Augustus sir. They forgot about my real name. I am in front of them, Augustus. So if you really want to know how to remember a long name, I am there to help you out. See you in my next video.